You may or may not have followers on TikTok already. But if you stop to think for a minute, why are they following you? Is it because of the funny cat video you posted or the joke you told? They most probably not following you to learn how to make money online. And if you just start posting business-related content, your followers might not like the idea very much. I've also found that TikTok favors new accounts and give the videos a lot of exposure in the beginning to help you build a following. And after 2 to 3 weeks, this favoritism kind of fades. So I want to encourage you to start with a fresh account. Now, you don't have to uninstall TikTok from your phone. You can easily add an account. Let me show you. Open TikTok on your phone, then go to your profile by clicking on the shape of a person at the bottom right corner of your screen. And at the top of your screen, you will see your username with a small drop-down menu arrow next to it. Now click there. Now you have the option to add an account. Click on Add Account and just follow the step. Next, let's look at setting up a professional bio for you. Click on Edit Profile. Now under Name, I prefer to use my real name and not some funny kind of nickname like Toe Jam or something. Under Username, I like using my business name. In other words, your domain name, excluding the .com or .online or whatever you chose. If your username exists, try using an underscore, but don't use too many. It should be easy to type and remember. Now, your bio. This is important to complete, and use this opportunity to answer most of your viewers' questions about you. I know the space is very limited, but try and answer these 3 things. Who you are, what you do, and how you help your customers. You can also add your Instagram account and your YouTube channel. And don't worry if you don't have a professional one already. I will show you in the coming videos. Now, setting up your profile pic especially, make sure people can see your face clearly, and make sure you use this picture across all of your platforms: Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, even on WhatsApp. There should be no confusion who the customer is talking to or whose account it is. You will also notice you do not have a clickable link as I do. You can only add your link after you have 1,000 followers. Now, if you do some research, you will learn that you can add a clickable link sooner by switching to a business account. But I want to strongly urge you not to. When you switch to a business account, TikTok suppresses the number of views you get on your videos, as they reckon you're a business, so you have money to pay to get extra views. So again, do not switch to a business account. You can record videos directly to the TikTok app by clicking here, but I prefer to record videos to my phone's camera reel, as it's a great way to save time and effort. I would normally just record 3 to 5 minutes of myself on my phone, so that I have one long video that I can upload to TikTok and just cut into small 7 or 15-second sections and just add text to it. I'm not going to show you how to edit videos, add sounds, or how to add text to your videos, as there are hundreds of YouTube videos out there that do explain. But there are a couple of things that I do want to mention. Always add a CTA, or a call to action, at the end of the video. In other words, tell the viewer what to do next. Follow me, see the link in my bio if you have one. Perhaps tell them to see the first comment and add a pinned comment. Or even better, if you've watched the video on how to go viral, you would understand why it's important to ask them to comment. Please, for the viewer's sanity, the fewer CTAs the better. Don't ask the viewer to follow and like and share and comment. Wow, that's just information overload, and the viewer is more likely to scroll on rather than follow every of your instructions. Another important thing is make sure your video is set to public. Here where it asks who can watch this video, make sure it's set to everyone. Your videos marked as only me or private will only be visible to you and not the public. Make sure comments are allowed, and it would be good practice to check these settings every time just before you post. Some screens are very sensitive, and accidentally touching it with your palm or with your sleeve can change the settings. Well, don't post yet, but here you can choose to post now or save to drafts. And saving to drafts is a great way of uploading your entire week's content. Adding a description. You can simply give the video a name, but this part is visible when somebody watches your video. And you'd be surprised at how many people look at this while watching your video. So you can use this to your advantage by giving the viewer a damn good reason to follow your call to action or to get a conversation going. And again, if you've watched the video on how to go viral, you would understand why getting comments is so important. Now, it's important to add hashtags to your video, as this tells TikTok who to show your videos to. You don't want your videos showing to people with zero interest in making money online, as it'll only be a waste of your time. I recommend adding 6 hashtags, 2 broad hashtags, 3 niche specific ones, and 1 hashtag should be niche specific or broad, but it should be alternated. In other words, a new one every 3 days or perhaps even every week. A broad hashtag is not directly aimed at what we do, but more a generalized term, such as money or money talk. Niche specific hashtags are more directly related at what we do. And that would be something like hashtag make money online or hashtag work from home. And make sure to leave spaces between your hashtags. Otherwise, it would read as one long hashtag. So how often should you post? You should give at least 2 to 3 hours between posts. And seeing that your channel is brand new, for the first week or so, try posting 2 to 3 times a day. Then you can move up to 4, 5 or 6 per day. Very important, what time should you post? Now, TikTok is a geographically based app and will start pushing out content to the audience closest to you. Good times to start posting would be during or just before morning tea, lunchtime, after 6 when people have arrived home, or after 8 when most people have had dinner and the kids are in bed. Posting at 3 in the morning when hardly anybody is on TikTok in your area is a waste of time. Okay, so why work harder if you can work smarter? You have already made a video for TikTok. Why would you want to make another one for Instagram, for Pinterest, YouTube, and Facebook, when all you have to do is download the TikTok video without the watermark, and it's important to download without the watermark. Instagram and all those other platforms is a direct competition to TikTok, and they won't appreciate you advertising the TikTok watermark on their platform. So the algorithm picks it up and they suppress the number of views on your videos. So you can use a free tool. Open the TikTok video you want to download and click here. Then scroll left until you find the option to copy the link, and then copy it. Next, open musical.ly.com. Paste the link and press download. Make sure you select HD and voila! You can now upload the same video to multiple platforms and get 5 times the amount of views without doing a lot of extra work. Now, obviously, when you start getting a lot of views, you will end up with a lot of comments, and if you answer them in an unprofessional way, you might chase customers away. But let me change the subject for a second and ask you this question. Have you considered that there is still so much to learn? And the potential is there to take this business to an unimaginable level of income, if done the right way. Yes, I'm sending you daily tips and strategies, but I can only explain so much in a video. Why not join the weekly life coaching? You're missing out on so much, not just knowledge, but the longer you wait, the more money you're leaving on the table. I've left a link to join the coaching below this video. But coming back to what I was saying about replying to comments, I have left 2 links in the description below. One deals more regarding comments, description and hashtags, and the second one shows you step by step how to reply to comments.